Now we will do turning circle. When the ship is moving. Now these turning circles are prepared by the shipyard during sea trials and it is posted on the bridge. The ship is in deep water and hard over is given. First to starboard, one circle is prepared and posted on the bridge and again one to port. So when giving to starboard, you get a circle like this. Its diameter is also posted on the bridge. Roughly it is 0.2 nautical miles for cape size vessel. And one circle to port is also given. Now diameter almost the same, but the hard over to port circle is slightly less. That is due to transverse thrust. Now this is because the ship with rudder midships and right-handed propeller, it tends to go slightly to port. This you can try it out on your ship also. In deep sea, keep the rudder midships, and if there is no current, no wind, she will try to go slightly to port all the time. So, what is transverse thrust? Why does it happen that the ship goes more to port, which is a right-handed propeller? Now, right-handed propeller means a ship when viewed from the stern of the propeller, and the propeller goes clockwise. That means a right-handed ship. Propeller moves clockwise when the engine is going ahead. So why does the ship turn slightly to port? Now in a right-handed propeller, if this is the water line and this is the propeller, it goes clockwise. Now when it goes clockwise, it throws the water here and the ship in this part of the propeller, if you see, this part of the propeller throws the water in this direction and therefore the ship slightly goes to port. And here if you see the propeller, it pushes the water in this direction, which is urging the ship to go to starboard. But as you can see, this part of the propeller is close to the water. So there is less water here and more water here, deep water. So this thrust, let's say T1, is greater than this thrust, which is T2. T1 is greater than T2. Therefore, the port thrust is greater than T2. So the ship goes to slightly to port. This is the reason why ship turns, why the port side port helm turning circle is slightly less diameter than the starboard helm turning circle. Now one interesting thing to note is this turning circle, whether to starboard or port, is prepared when the ship is at full speed. Now suppose ship is at slow speed, let's say dead slow head or slow head. Will the circle be the same? Answer is yes. But it will take more time to complete the circle because your ship speed is less. Now, if this was a circle at full speed, let's say ship was here at 0800 hours and ship came here at 0810 hours. Now, if the same circle is done at dead slow head or slow head, then ship was here at 0800 hours. She started, and at 0810 ship did not come here. It was here because her speed was less. And at 0820 hours, probably the ship came here. The ship is always on the same track, whether you go full speed or half speed, slow speed, but time taken to complete the turn will be more. Now when you do it at full speed, your rate of turn will also be large, and at slow speed your rate of turn will also be slow, but the ship speed is also slow, so the circle remains the same. But if you do the turning circle in shallow waters, then you get a circle which is probably double the size of the original turning circle. Again, this turning circle will be the same in shallow waters whether you do it at full speed or slow speed, because in shallow water effect your rate of turn is small. So in shallow water, if the ship was here at 8 o'clock 0800 and it was at full speed, her rate of turn was less. So at 0810 hours, she would have arrived somewhere here. And same thing if you are doing it at slow speed, 0800 hours ship was here, and at 0810 hours ship will be somewhere here, and 0820 hours ship will be somewhere here. So this is why turning circle is almost double in shallow waters.